morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will continue exercise 2.3. Okay. Now we will start question number 3. So question number 3 is there. Solve the following word problems. Here is given some word problems that you have to solve. So word problem at many places you use in your life. Okay. So here is A part. How many hours are there in a year? So here you have to tell how many hours in a year. But you don't know the relationship of hours and year. Directly we don't know the relationship of hours and year. So for that, what we know the relationship of hours and day. And we know the relationship of day and year. How many days in a year and how many hours in a day. So firstly we have to write the relationship of hours and day. So we know very well one day. Here we start solution. So write here solution. So we know that one day equals to 24 hours. So one day equals to 24 hours. Now we should write the relationship of day and year. So we know that in 1 year there is 365 days. So 1 year equals to 365 days. Now by days we can go in the hours. Okay. So 1 day equals to 24 hours. So 365 days, 1 year means 365 days. Okay, and in a leap year 366. But here is not given a leap year, here is given a year. So whenever a year means we have to count in the simple year, we should write here 365 days. Okay, so 1 year 365 days. Now 1 day 24 hours, so 365 days. In 1 day 24, so in 365 more days, more hours. More days, so more hours. For more hours we will do multiplication. Okay, so 365 multiply by 24, then we will get the hours. Okay, so for that we will do multiplication. So we write here 365 multiply by 24. Okay, so firstly we recite the table of 4. Then we decide the table of 2. So 4. 4 5s are 20. We write here 0 and 2 goes carry. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 2 goes carry. 4 3 are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So we write here 14 as it is because digits are finished. There is no next, there is no digit. Okay. Now we should multiply by 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. So now we should make ones column 0 or cross. As always we can make here cross also, we can make here 0 also. Now we should recite the table of 2. So now 2 5s. 2 5s are 10. 1 goes carry. Okay. Now 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 13. So we write here 3 and 1 goes carry. 2 3 are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Okay. Now what we do? Now we will do addition. Because we have done multiplication by 4 also, by 2 also. So now we should do addition. Okay. So now we add them. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, so what's your answer? 8,760. So we write here 8,760 what? Hours. These many hours in a year. In 1 year there is 8,760 hours. You said that we don't have time. So you have in a year these many hours. Okay. So like this you have to solve. Because directly we don't know the relationship of hours and days. That's why we firstly make day, hours and year. So firstly we make what? 1 day equals to 24 hours, and after that we have to find year into hours. Okay. Thank you. Second B. Now we will do B part. Yes. Now B part. In a circus, 32,145 spectators. Spectators means spectators have come for watching the show. Means in a circle, these many people come for watching the show. Okay. Each spectator pays rupees 354 a ticket of the show. Means one ticket. They will not sit in the without ticket. Okay. Whenever you went for watching the circus and any show, movie, etc. When you go for watching that, so you purchase ticket for that. So here is also they purchase ticket, and each ticket comes in rupees 350. Means for one ticket they pay rupees 350. Okay. So these many spectators, how many spectators are there? For one 350, so for two 700. So the same way many spectators will purchase in many rupees. Okay. So now how much money is collected by the circus event organizer? Those are circus event organizers are there. They will collect how much money? Okay. So for one person they are collecting 350. So how many people will come there? For that they will collect the more rupees. Okay. So for more rupees we will do multiplication. For one person they are taking 350 rupees. So many people, many rupees. Okay. So for that we will do multiplication. So first is there, first sentence what will be there? Spectators have come for watching the circus. How many spectators come here? 32,145. Okay. Now each spectator pays rupees for a ticket. How much rupees? One spectator, how much rupees he is paying? Rupees 350. Okay. Then money is collected by the circus event organizer. How much money he will collect? So for one person 350. So for 32,145 persons we will do multiplication. So rupees 350 multiplied by 32,145. Okay. So I told you that in multiplication we can change the order. Okay. We will see that second number is big and first is small. So when we multiply by 32,145, so length of our multiplication will be big. So that's better we have to multiply by the smaller number. We can change their order. So 32,145 we will take up and 350 we will take down. Okay. So 32,145 multiplied by 350. The meaning is same. If 350 upside we are writing and 32,145 we are writing downside, that's also the same. But the length of question will be increased because there is 5 digit and we should multiply by 5 digit. So length will be increased. Okay. And when we multiply by 350, so length will be decreased. So now we will do multiplication. Firstly we should multiply by 0. And any number multiplied by 0, then we get the answer 0. Okay. So 0 5s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 3s are 0. So whenever we multiply by 0, then we get the answer 0. Okay. Now what we do? Now we cross ones column. Why? Because we are multiply by 5 tens. So we will multiply by 5 tens. We will cross ones column. We can cross and we can make here 0. Now we should recite the table of 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 goes carry. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 22. 2 goes carry. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 7. 5 2s are 10. So we write here 0 and 1 goes carry. Now 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. Okay. Now we should multiply by 300. So 300. So we should cross ones and tens column. Cross or we can make them 0. Now we should multiply by 3. 3 is in the 100 column. So now we should recite the table of 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 goes carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 or 1 13. 1 carry. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Now what we do? We have done multiplication by each, by 0 also, by 5 also, by 3 also. So now we will do addition. Okay, so now we add them. And take care about that. Digits should be up and down. You will not move here and there. Properly you will write up and down. Then your answer will come correct. If you are missing one column in the between, so that means our answer will come wrong. Okay. So 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Now we write here 11 as it is. Okay. So now what's your answer? You can see that your answer is 1 crore 12 lakhs 50,750. That's your answer. So we write here rupees 1 crore 12 lakhs 50,750. That's amount the event organizer will get. So we write here. So how much amount will collect event organizers? So we write here how much money? Rupees 1 lakhs. So rupees 1 lakh 12,000. 1 crore 12 lakhs 50,750 is collected by the circus event organizers. Okay. So rupees 1 crore 12 lakhs 50,750 is collected by the circus event organizer. That's your answer. Like this you have to solve the question number B. Now question number C. Now see what? In a bucket factory, if 5,263 buckets were manufactured means 1 month. Okay, बनती है. In a bucket factory, 5,263 buckets were manufactured. बनती है. In a week, in 1 week, there is 5,263 buckets manufactured. Then how many buckets were manufactured in 4 months? Okay. So here is given in 1 week how many manufactured, and now that is asking of 4 months. But we don't know directly because here is given week, and how can we find out month? So first of all we should convert months into week. Okay. So first of all we should convert month into week, because we know that how many buckets were manufactured in a week. So we should convert this month into week, and then we have to find that how many buckets were manufactured. So first of all, now we start our solution. 1 month equals to 4 week. We know very well in 1 month there is 4 week, and now months are 4. So 4 months equals to 4 multiplied by 4, because 1 month 4 week, and 4 months 4 multiplied by 4. So 4 into 4, that's equals to 16 weeks. Okay. So in 4 months there is 16 weeks. Now we know that buckets were manufactured in 1 week equals to 5263. That is given to you. In 1 week there is 5263. Now we have to find buckets were manufactured in 4 months. 4 months means 16 weeks. So buckets were manufactured in 4 months. So 4 months, we know that 4 months equals to 16 weeks. So we write here 5263 multiplied by 16 because in 4 months there is 16 weeks. Here you can write like this also, 5263 multiplied by, now we know that 1 month equals to 4. So like this also you can write 4 into 4, but that's also you have to multiply 4 into 4, that's also 16. So directly we should multiply by 16. Okay. So now we should do multiplication here, and then we have to find that how many buckets manufactured in 4 months. So 5263 multiplied by 16. Now first of all multiply by 1's column. So in 1's column we have here 6. 6 3 are 80. 1 goes carry. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 1 37. 3 6 2 are 12. 12 plus 3 15. 1 carry. 6 5 are 30. 30 plus 1 31. Okay. Now what we do? Now we should cross 1's column. We can cross and we can make that 0 because now we should multiply by 1 tens. So 1's column will be 0 or cross. Now 1 3 are 3. 1 6 are 6. 1 2 are 2. 1 5 are 5. Now we add them. Okay. Now 8 plus 0 8. 7 plus 3 10. 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 6 12. 1 carry. Now here is 4. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. 5 plus 3 8. So now what's your answer? 84,280. These buckets manufactured in 4 months. Okay. So now we write here 84,280 buckets. So we write here buckets. Okay. So in the last we can write our so line. So now here is given how many buckets were manufactured in 4 months. So at the place of how many we write our answer. Our answer is 84,208. Okay. But buckets were manufactured in 4 months. That's your answer. These buckets were manufactured in 4 months. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you have to solve. Whenever we know the value of 1, here we know the value of 1 week. And we have to find 4 months. 4 months means 60 weeks. So whenever we know the value of 1 and we are finding more than 1, for that we will do multiplication. Because if we have in 1 week this one, so in 2 weeks more, 3 weeks more, 4 weeks more. So how many weeks will increase? So buckets also will increase. So in that cases we have to do multiplication. Okay. Thank you.